Everyone's been asking, what are the insider tips on how to maximize the sales price on your property? Having been doing this for 35 years, we discovered 5 different strategies that will help put more money in your pocket when you're a home seller. And you can download this ebook for free and get those strategies. But I'll give you one of the strategies that we use to change the look of the home to maximize the profit is flooring. I can't tell you how important flooring is right now. I had a client insisting they wanted to leave the carpet. They thought the home buyer is going to want to pick out their own flooring. Let them do that. It's a very common statement by a home seller. We put it on the market. It was a hot real estate market. And guess how many offers we got? None. I said, let's just try this strategy. Let's put in some hard floors, not carpet floors. We made the change. We were on the market 3 days, multiple offers, sold it more than the previous asking price, just with that one slight change. If you want to hear the other 4 strategies that we use to help maximize the profit, take a look at the ebook. It's free. Have a great day.